Hello, dear students. Myself, Mrs. Rajashri Naik from BYK College of Commerce, Nasik, working as a teacher of economics, welcomes you on our introductory BYK expert lecture series. Today, in this introductory lecture, we are going to cover the following points: background, portion covered till date, HSC exam preparation tips, BYK expert series highlights, economics expert lecture series timetable, BYK HSC exam success stories, and career opportunities in economics. Hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, we know that COVID-19 has disturbed the entire world, most importantly, education and educational institutes. Physically, teaching learning process completely stopped due to COVID-19. But we, teachers of BYK College, did not panic in this difficult time. We came up with beneficial solution of expert lecture series, which will surely help every student in his or her academic studies. On the background of current pandemic situation, Gokhale Educational Society has organized online lecture series for standard 11th and 12th. We, the members of Gokhale Educational Society's Economics Department, have completed 80% syllabus of 12th standard through PPT videos, and we also gave assignment of each chapter on Google Drive link. All the video YouTube links and assignment Google Drive links were uploaded by our GE Society's Central Coordination Committee on Telegram app. I am sure that all of you must have taken advantage of our efforts. Due to this new method of teaching and learning, it was easy to make connection with you all. Also, this helped us to cover maximum syllabus, maintaining the flow of study. Class 12 is considered as one of the most crucial stages in a student's career. This decides the further career path for the students. Students also prepare for many competitive and entrance exams alongside the HSC board exams. One of the most common questions asked by the student is how to prepare and score good marks in HSC exam. Well, the only thing necessary and important is well-planned study on a regular basis to score exceptionally well in the board exams. Hard work, dedication, optimism in the right direction is also essential during the exam times. Hence, students need to study regularly with their highest potential to pass the exam with flying colors. Here are some tips which will help you in your board exam preparation so that you can achieve your true potential. Number 1, prepare a study schedule. Number 2, follow the syllabus and prescribed books. Number 3, study method. Number 4, take a break and relax. Number 5, write notes. Number 6, revision. Number 7, recognize your weak points and work on it. Number 8, solve previous year's papers and sample papers. 9th, guiding tips for economics. And the last, be confident. Now let us see one by one. Prepare a study schedule. One must utilize time wisely and plan properly for their studies. Ideally, students should study 6 to 8 hours in a day. Give time to each and every subject. Distribute your study time in such a way that you can give proper concentration on your tough and easy subjects. If you follow this tip, you will certainly be able to avoid the stress and fear which arise in the students during preparation of the exams. Set a deadline for each subject and then only you will able to complete your studies within time. Second presentation tip, follow the syllabus and prescribed books. Go through the content for every subject and analyze the topics. Mark all the important topics for each subject. It is also very essential that you follow the prescribed books by the HSC board and know the true significance of syllabus textbooks. All the syllabus books in any board exam are designed according to the strict syllabus. And this has never happened that a question has come out of syllabus. Complete the course books first and then read only reference books to clear your concepts. Another one is study method. Set your study hours and write study place. Allocate more time to the subjects which are tougher than that of others on which you already have a grip. It will make such subject easier at the time of examinations. Fourth tip, take a break and relax. It is very essential to take breaks in between your studies and give some time to yourself to release the stress. Along with all the studies, one must keep themselves fit and healthy. Most important, keep distractions away from yourselves. Try to avoid social media platforms during preparations. Next tip, write notes. Writing is a good habit to learn effectively. Always write the subject-wise notes, including definitions and formula over the topics what you are studying. At the time of examination, these notes will help you in your revision. The next tip. To complete the study in time is important, but revision is more important in your study. Revision is just like a final touch to your study. So don't wait till the end to revise. Select your weekend day as the best day for your regularly revision about whatever you have studied during the entire week. One should not skip revision at any cost. Complete your all subject around 2 months prior to the final board examination so that you could do the revision again. Seventh preparation tip, recognize your weak points and work on it. What are my weak points and how to make them strong? You should always keep this question in your mind while preparing for the board exams. Check your answer sheets of class tests and pre-board and take a deep look into them and find your mistakes. Make a list of your weak points for each subject and start doing hard work on your weak points and make them strong. Next tip, solve previous year's papers and sample papers. Practice from previous at least 5 years papers. Solving previous year question papers are like giving previous board exams. Take each and every year question paper seriously and start solving them and feel like you are sitting in examination hall of board exam. Previous year papers are important because they will let you know the difficulty level of questions. Helps to figure out the repeating sequence of questions. Helps to figure out your true level of scoring or securing marks. Also, with solving the previous year papers, you can practice sample papers and guess papers too. Though this year there is a change in syllabus and change in question paper pattern, but most of the chapters are same. And in question paper pattern, most of the questions like distinguish between, answer the following questions, do you agree, answer in detail are the same. So you can solve the previous year's papers and sample papers too. Now some guiding tips for economics. Economics subject is a combination of theory, calculations and diagrams. So you should practice each of them equally. Practice the calculations and diagrams on a daily basis. Read out all the important definitions and formulae. Including diagrams in your questions carry more weight. So practice diagrams, graphs, curves and figures. Develop your logical and analytical reasoning skills thoroughly. And the last 10th preparation tip, be confident. Keep confidence in yourself and study properly. Do not panic and do not take stress. Focus is very important. Take your studies seriously, but do not get this seriousness over your confidence. Always think positive about your examination. Positive attitude towards exam is the main important fact which you should have in yourself to successfully crack your exam. Group study is also beneficial. If you find it better to study with your friends, then study in groups. So these are the preparation tips for HSC board exam. In order to focus on 3 P's, that is preparation, presentation and performance. And to boost up your confidence, the BYK College teachers are bringing before you BYK Expert Lecture Series. And now let us see the highlights of Expert Lecture Series. Focus on HSC board exam preparation, presentation and performance. Means focus on 3 P's which are most valuable for your HSC exam preparations. Maximum subjects included. Means guidance of almost all subjects is included in this lecture series. One day, one subject will be focused. Means daily, we will provide only one YouTube link of single subject. There will be no burden on you, so students can concentrate on single subject. 16 lectures in the form of videos for each subject. In the expert lecture series, we will provide total 16 lectures which will be in the form of videos. Lecture will consist of videos and PPTs. 3 P's lecture series will help in motivating students. I am sure that this expert lecture series will definitely motivate you while preparing for HSC board exam. See your economics expert lecture series timetable. Every lecture will be on Friday, starting from today, that is 4th December. The next lecture will be on 11th December. And the rest of lectures will be according to the schedule as you can see on the screen. I am so overwhelmed and proud to share the last 3 years academic result of economics subject. In the year 2017-18, academic result of economics subject was 98.12%. Toppers in economics subject, marks out of 100. First topper, 90 marks. Second topper, 89. 3 students scored 89 marks. Third topper, 88 marks. In the year 2018-19, academic result of economics subject was 94.4%, 94.04%. And toppers in economics subject, first topper, 96 marks. Second topper, 94 marks. 2 students scored 94 marks. Third topper, 93 marks. 2 students scored 93 marks. In the year 2019-20. Academic result of economics subject was 96.19%. Toppers in economics subject, first topper 97 marks, second topper 96 marks, 3 students scored 96 marks, and third topper 95, 5 students scored 95 marks. I'm sure that every student will get motivated and inspired by seeing the above academic results. Now, you all should aim to work hard in your academics and break the record of previous year toppers. Let us see the career opportunities in economics. There are many career opportunities in economics subject. Few among those are most common jobs: lawyer, economist, or personal finance advisor. Specialized unique jobs: financial analyst, actuary, market research analyst. Non-traditional jobs: securities, commodities, and financial securities sales agents, environmental economist, and finance or business reporter. Other potential jobs: economics professor, statistician, and accountant. So students, I hope that this introductory lecture will be beneficial for everyone and you all will take maximum advantage of our expert lecture series and perform well in your HSC board exam. That's it for today. We will soon come up with another important topic. Till then, have a great time and stay safe. Thank you and all the best.